hope that you were able to make some hot sauce. I hope you're enjoying it. If you are, let me know in the comments below what you put in yours and how it turned out. For episode 2, I guess, of this little mini series, and you want to make something good but not super complicated or takes a long time, another great option is going to be guacamole. Anybody can make it. So you're going to just want to cut your avocados in half. You do want to save the pit, and I'll show you why here in just a little bit. You just take the avocado out. I promise that makes me look like a professional. Sometimes, as you can see, they don't come off so super easy, but sometimes they do. And just want to take all those out. How's everybody's week been? I hope it's been great. I hope that you've got some parties to go to, and even if you don't, just make it for yourself at home. Get some tortilla chips at the store or make your own and have a party. Nothing wrong with that. Today I am using 3 full avocados. It's going to depend on what size party you're going to, how many people, what all you want to put in it. Again, guacamole is one of those things, put in it what you want to. Some people, like my sister, she'll just put avocado and tomatoes, and that's it. Next, I like to have a little red onion in mine, so I'm going to add that in. I'll dice that up for you. And then I'm going to put a couple of tomatoes in there. Okay, I think I'm going to stick with 3 tomatoes in there. That seems like a pretty good amount. And what I didn't mention, when you're buying avocados, you don't want them to be super duper green unless it's a week or so away from the party that you're going to. You can stick them down in a paper bag. That'll help ripen them up a little quicker. These were a little mushy, a little brown, as you can see. They weren't too super green on the outside, and they were a little bit mushy, which is exactly perfect. I'm gonna put a little bit of lime juice in there, just a squeeze, and then some salt and a little bit of pepper. One of the best tools that you can have in your kitchen is a potato masher, and that'll kind of help mash those avocados for you. If you don't have a potato masher, you can use a fork or a spoon. You can use your hands if you're feeling adventurous. And the biggest part is you're gonna just mash up just the avocados and get those good and mashed, just like that. That's the consistency you want those avocados. And then just take your spoon, mix it all up. There is some easy homemade guacamole, and didn't cost you an arm and a leg to make it. It's gonna taste phenomenal. Let's give it a taste. That stuff is delicious, my goodness. Okay, I told you I would tell you why you needed to save the pits from the avocados. And you don't have to save all of them. 1 or 2 is fine. But I know you've seen people, they make guacamole or use avocado in something and it turns a little brown. It's not bad, but it's just not very visually appealing. There are 2 ways to combat that. One is gonna be lemon juice. Kind of squirt that over it. That'll help keep it green for a little while. The other is gonna be save those pits, pop them down in there, and that will also help combat that brown color in your guacamole. Now, again, if you're not going to serve it right away, cover it with plastic wrap. Get the plastic wrap as close to the guacamole as you can. If it's touching it, that's even better because that'll help keep it from browning as well. Keep it refrigerated, take it out, serve it. I promise you it'll go quick. I hope you enjoy. Let me know what you put in your guacamole. I will see you on our next video. Thanks and have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.